Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Columbiana County and east central Ohio, south central Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over New Waterford, or over East Palestine, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Castle, Columbiana, East Palestine, Elwood City, New Wilmington, Oakwood, New Castle Northwest, New Waterford, Big Beaver, New Beaver, Elport, Prospect, Bessemer, Plain Grove Township, Coppell, Wampum, South New Castle, New Galilee, West Liberty and Enon Valley. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county, Columbiana, Ohio, and the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Lawrence and Mercer. Your